So we are going to solve question one by one, and this is the NCERT question exercise 2.1. So first we will write some trigonometric values, which is 1 sine inverse x, and the range is from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and the second is cos inverse x, and the range is 0 to pi, and we have a third, which is cot inverse x, and the range is 0 to pi, and the fourth one is we have tan inverse x, and the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So this is common. And fifth one is cosec inverse, so the range is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but 0 is not included there. And the sixth one is sec inverse, and the range is from 0 to pi, minus pi by 2 is not included. Now we will solve question number 1, which is sine inverse 1 minus 1 by 2, right? We also know the value of sine pi by 6, which is sine 30 is equals to 1 by 2, right? We will put here in the bracket, which is we can write minus sine pi by 6, right? We can hear that. We also know one formula, which is sine minus theta is equals to minus sine theta, right? So here minus sign can be put into the bracket. So sine inverse sine minus pi by 6, right? Now we can cut this sine and sine inverse together, as you know that, and which is equals to, the answer will be minus pi by 6. And check the range of the sine inverse also. So here in earlier we have written the range, which is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So yeah, so minus pi by 6 comes in between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So here is the answer for the question number 1. So let's move on to the question number 2. So question number 2, we have cos inverse root 3 by 2. Yeah, here is the question. And we know that cos 30 degree is equals to cos pi by 6 is equals to root 3 by 2, right? So same as earlier question we will put here. Now let me write cos inverse cos pi by 6. Now check the range of the cos inverse. So range of the cos inverse is 0 to pi, and we will cut this cos inverse and cos both, and the answer will be pi by 6. And here the pi by 6 comes in the range of 0 to pi. So here is the answer will be for question number 2, the answer will be pi by 6. Let's move on to question number 3, which is cosec inverse 2, and we know that cosec pi by 6 is equals to 2. So from the as above the question, we will put the same value here, cosec inverse cosec pi by 6, right? And we will cut this cosec and cosec inverse and cosec, and the answer will be pi by 6. You have to check the range as well. As earlier we have written the range, and range of cosec inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, where 0 is not including. So here will be the answer for the question number 3.